Hello guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to convert video files for free using VLC. Alright, so a quick one, open up your VLC player, and then once you open up your VLC player, you give it permission to access all your data. So for this case, you allow it to access your files, that's the videos and all other things. Alright, and also allow it to give you notifications. So as you can see, it has now accessed my videos. Alright, so to use it to convert these videos, take an example. You have a video which is in a very bad format. So take an example, I had a video which was in MKV format. So to use VLC for this, you just come here, and now this is the video over here. I just tap on the video and automatically the video will play in MP4 format. That means the conversion is automatic using VLC. Okay, so that's how simple it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.